Hello friends, today let's see how to make a palm candy drink that can be had during cold and cough. When there's so much of phlegm, when the children are not able to breathe, even for elders, this can be given. For this, you need around 3 or 4 palm candy crystals. Now, depending upon the size of it, you take how much ever you want. Now, usually they drink it for 3 days in the night. It's very effective to combat cold and cough. So, for 3 days, take how much ever you require according to the sweet level. Normally, this 6 or 7 pieces, moderate pieces, will be enough for 3 days. Take 1 powder of cardamom, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of this is Kandantipili and Tipili. See, this is Kandantipili or Arisi Tipili. Now these two I have taken a very small quantity. This is Kandantipili and Tipili, also called as Narkumoolam. Now this is very effective for cold, throat pain, cough, everything. I have taken a very small piece of both. If you add too much, it will give a medicinal smell. The taste will become bitter. So add a little bit. Now I have taken half teaspoon of peppercorns and 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Now put all these together in the mixer grinder. Grind it to a powder and store it. During night, take a cup of milk, add half tumbler of water to it and 1 teaspoon of this powder to that and boil it well, filter it and take it last thing in the night. If you do this for 3 days, cold and cough, you'll get very good relief from cold and cough. This palm candy is very good for cough. Even if you just take one crystal when you have heavy cough, you can immediately see the result. It will stop. Now let's make a powder of it. Add cardamom pods. Add the palm candy. Turmeric powder. Tipili and Kandantipili. Pepper. And dry ginger powder or sukupodi. I have given the description in the recipe in the description box. Please refer to it if you have any doubts. This is the powder that we have got. Store this in an airtight container. And after you add it to milk and boil, please strain and give, because palm candy has small twig kind of things. So this needs to be filtered. So filter it and give it. Now I am taking around half a cup of water. And half a cup of milk. Now to this add 1 teaspoon of the powder that we have just ground and boil it well. Pepper is very good for phlegm and cold. It removes sinus and toxins from the body. Turmeric is very good antioxidant, antibiotic. Palm candy is very good for phlegm and cough. Dry ginger powder is also very good for removing excess water from the sinus. So this will give very good relief when you have a cold or cough. These are traditional medicines, grandma medicine, kitchen remedies. See, the milk gets a nice golden yellow color. Now please do this in low flame or low heat. For kids, you can reduce the quantity of powder because they might find the dry ginger and pepper a little bit hot. So you might reduce it according to your children's preference. For elders, we can have it with a teaspoon of the powder. And the rest of the powder, if there is anything left, you can store it in a Ziploc cover or in an airtight container, and you can use it even later. This will not go stale that easily, so you can use it anytime you want. These are all simple and effective cold and cough remedies without using any medicine that is harmful to you. Now allow this to steep for 5 minutes in low heat and then strain and drink. Now this has been steeping for 5 minutes now. Remove from heat and filter it. Your golden color cold and cough remedy is ready.